Welcome, here I've got Xiaomi Mi 10T and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera leveler at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner to this button. When we tap on it, we get access to more options about the camera we can manage. Now let's focus on this button from the right with straight, and this is our leveler. By just one tap we can turn it on here and another tap to turn it off again. As you can see, the yellow color suggests us that now this is turned on, and it appears here in the camera preview with this line. This is useful, for example, when we want to keep our photographic topic straight at the picture. So this is how it works. Of course, when you don't need this, you can easily tap on this button here in the right corner once again and use this one to turn it off. So for now, the leveler has gone here. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.